Hello, children. Welcome to our online class. My name is Cecilia Chettiar. I am senior KG teacher from Toddledom. Yes, today we are going to learn subject of English. Yes, children, English we will learn three-letter words. Okay, three-letter words to read and write, and we'll learn the spelling once we complete writing. So that is AD, add family words. A sounds A, D sounds D. AD, add family. Okay, children. So there are 7 to 8 words. Teacher is going to show you a video how to write AD, add family words, and what are the words. Okay, so please pay attention and open your E1 book. Take out your fresh page and write today's date and classwork. And teacher will show you how to write 3-letter AD, add family words. Please see how teacher is writing and write along with the teacher. Is it clear, children? I hope everybody is ready with the book, pencil, eraser. Yes? Okay. Let's start the video. Write very neatly, children. Touch the line and write properly. Okay? In a proper cursive. Open your fresh page. Write today's date here. And classwork. C.W. C.W. Leave one line. Then we are going to write AD, add family word. So next to the margin, leave gap and write AD, add. AD, add. Now below that you have to write all AD, add family words. Okay, so next word is bad. BAD, bad. Next is DAD, dad. Next to that, leave finger space gap and here draw the picture of dad. Put a sleeping line, 2 slanting lines, again one more sleeping line. First we will draw hat and then the face, then one curve, then after face, 2 eyes, nose and mouth, and ears. Okay, DAD, dad, face of dad. Next word is lad. LAD, lad. LAD, lad. Next word is mad. MAD, mad. MAD, mad. Next, pad. PAD, pad. PAD, pad. Now leave finger space gap and draw picture of pad. Draw one rectangle like this, 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. Inside 2 sleeping lines. Then last word is sad. S-A-D, sad. Sad face we will make. Circle, two eyes and sad face. This way. Okay. So today's date and classwork. A-D, add. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad and picture of dad. L-A-D, lad. M-A-D, mad. P-A-D, pad and drawing of pad. S-A-D, sad, drawing of sad. So children, please practice this by heart, the spelling, okay, with the drawing also. So I hope everybody is done writing AD, add family words. Yes children, let's revise once. AD, add. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, had. L-A-D, lad. M-A-D, mad. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. So here there are few images also with the word, so you have to practice the drawing also children. Is it clear? Spelling as well as drawing. Okay, not all the words have drawing, but some words have drawing, so you have to practice how to draw the image also, the picture also along with the word. So please learn the spelling and practice to read and write. Yes, so we'll see in our next class children. Till then, take care from the Cecilia teacher. Bye children.